Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to make your images or photos move in CapCut. So let's get started. It is super simple. It can be done with just a few clicks and you absolutely don't need any advanced skills in video editing. So in the first step, head over to CapCut, for example, via your web browser or by using the CapCut application on your computer. It's actually the same and you can do that with both versions. So once you're inside, guys, upload an image or a photo to your library here by clicking on that button. And to make your image move, guys, it is so super simple. All you need to do is to set some keyframes and to choose a position for each keyframe on your timeline. So you have your image placed on your timeline here below, and next move the slider to the moment or to the minute mark or second mark you would like to place your first keyframe. For instance, I will set the first keyframe at the 10-second mark, and after that select the basic toolbar here in the upper right corner, and from that menu below click on that diamond icon here next where it says scale. That's the first keyframe. There you go. And after that, move the slider on your timeline again, this time let's say to the 15-second mark, but this time before setting another keyframe, guys, and just the scaling in the position of your image. So let me play around here a bit to show you the effect of that. We will add a nice zoom in effect with a scaling of up to 170%, and you can move your image around by holding it with your left mouse. There you go. So let me show you how it looks in the preview mode. There you have it. My image is moving with a nice and little zoom in effect. Now if you like, you can add a zoom out effect too by adding a second keyframe and by repeating the same process, but this time in reverse. So move the slider on your timeline, set a keyframe, and after a couple of seconds stop again to adjust the scaling and the position, for instance to the default settings, which was scaling 100% and position 0x and 0y. And that's it. Watch the preview again, and there you go. Zoom in and zoom out. That's how you make images move in CapCut. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys, and I'll see you next time.